How to let AI create videos that get views and turn those views into commissions. That's exactly what our next Paid to Learn session is all about. You'll discover how to use AI to create simple videos that attract views and turn those views into affiliate commissions without dancing on camera, building a huge following, or spending money on ads that don't convert anyway. If you're a new member, you can earn $5 for attending each of your first 4 Paid to Learn sessions. You can also receive $10 for watching recorded training videos that show you how to use our system effectively. That means you can collect up to $30 in cash simply for learning how to use the system more effectively online. If you're already a member, you can receive $5 in paid traffic for attending the live training sessions. Find the registration link in the description of this video and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss future Paid to Learn sessions and updates. The people who earn the most online are often the ones who learn the fastest. Join us at the next session and let AI do more of the work for you.